was there with me. I thought, let me have a change in life and find out what is the real truth of living. Money was there. That doesn't mean that you'll get all the happiness together if money is there. There are certain things which you cannot buy with the money. What money can buy, I had brought all the things. Money can buy this camera, money can buy that, this, everything. But there are certain things which you cannot buy money. With money you cannot see God. So I thought, okay, let me see God first, giving aside money. Then I asked my guru, that's my teacher. He said, see, without your parents' will, you cannot go see God and all like that. First take their permission. Took their permission, left my house, not even taking a single penny. Not even a single penny I had in there. Without tickets, I went into the train and came back to Varanasi. And I came up this side and I found it is very quiet, simple. Practicing it from almost 10 years. Not willing to go back. Get both sky and the earth together. It's the last thing of the human life. After that, you can ash is the most last, and before ash is the skull. Any one or the other day, they're all going to become this. Death is something everyone is scared of. All the people are scared of death. One or the other day, they're going to die. So when death nears, they start crying. So when you embrace death, welcome death, death will not come to you. Old one has to go for the new one to come. So this death and birth is something, a cycle. So we are like not scared of. Holy ash is the main thing for an Agori. Whatever you see in this world, it's illusion. This illusion will attract you. Some people like eating, some people like women, some people like money, some people like I want to buy big buildings and that, this. It's all illusion, Maya. Not permanent. It may change. Today we are wearing this, tomorrow it may be not there. Everything will vanish one or the other day. These buildings also may vanish one or the other day. So this is all Maya, illusion. If you had an X-ray mission where you can walk around the world, you see everyone, only skeletons walking. You can't find who's men, women, nothing. So from the point of God, we are all like that. So we look people also the same way. And see son, he's the friend of the whole world. He doesn't say, I am your enemy, I cannot come to your house. Even though you are any enemy, you are a friend, he comes to everyone. Just like that, we should also be. Showing brightness to everyone. World was created for peace. We have to be peace. There should be peace, not violence. People just know they are becoming more aggressive. That should not be there. We have to love nature, and nature will love us. Otherwise, one or the other day, nature will take over us. So we have to think that we are all one and be